What's up? Uptown Swing level 1. This is 8 count. We did this stuff. So we had the yo-yo last week. This week we worked on the reverse yo-yo with the leaders going on. We also worked on promenades where we take a walk. Yes, hex optional, but fun. We also worked on reverse promenades with the leaders in front. You can peck on those too if you want. Practicing a little bit of leading and following, meaning sort of either or, leader's choice. So we tried having the leaders choose between a promenade or a yo-yo. And we even threw in a reverse promenade or a reverse yo-yo. We'll show that real quick. Naomi, your strategy was?
So leaders had to make the steps different so we could tell what was happening. Followers, remember, keep doing what you're doing, keep your rhythm until you feel otherwise. So that means if you haven't been moved at the beginning, you hang out until you feel like you're being moved. That means once you're moving, keep trying to move. Try to do the promenade and find out if we're being brought back.
So slowly, I will lead, you will follow, and who knows what's going to happen.
That's the plan.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
Maybe I couldn't think of another step. Who knows?